Dear students, it is class 12th entrepreneurship. Today, let us start the new chapter, that is managing market. It means the subject is related to the market and the activity that how we can manage the market, how market can be managed. Before going to the topic, let us know that what is marketing. The definition given by American Marketing Association related to marketing is that marketing is an organizational function and a set of processes for creating, communicating, and delivering value to customers and for managing customer relationship in ways that benefit organization and its stakeholders. यानी मार्केटिंग जो है ये किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का एक ऐसा फंक्शन है और ये कुछ ऐसे प्रोसेस हैं, कुछ ऐसे काम हैं, कुछ ऐसे अमल हैं जिनसे हम क्या करते हैं, क्रिएट करते हैं, कम्युनिकेट करते हैं और फिर डिलीवर करते हैं कस्टमर्स को। और फिर इसका काम क्या है, एंड फॉर मैनेजिंग कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप, और उसमें कस्टमर के साथ जो हैं ताल्लुकात जो हैं, रिश्ते जो हैं वो मैनेज करते हैं, वो इस्तवार करते हैं मुख्तलिफ तरीक़ों से, जिन तरीक़ों से दोनों को फ़ायदा मिले, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को भी और उसके स्टेक होल्डर्स, डिफरेंट पार्टीज विच आर रिलेटेड टू दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. This is the definition given by American Marketing Association. Now, when we just consider the market at its initial stage, the definition given by the people in ancient times when the market as an issue was started, this definition was market is a place where the buyers and sellers assemble. मार्केट एक ऐसी जगह है जहां बेचने वाले और ख़रीदने वाले मिल जाते हैं तो एक्सचेंज देयर प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर मनी, ताकि वो अपने प्रोडक्ट को रुपया के बदले एक्सचेंज करें, उसका तबादला करें, एंड वाइस वर्सा. इसका मतलब है मनी फॉर प्रोडक्ट्स, यानी प्रोडक्ट, एक इंसान प्रोडक्ट देता है, चीज़ देता है, दूसरा उसकी कीमत देता है. तो ये जो है ये मार्केटिंग को डेफिनेशन थी एट इट इज इनिशियल स्टेज. बट हियर इट इज मार्केट एंड मार्केटिंग in modern times and marketing in ancient times. But let us know that marketing, what is its role, how we introduce the market. We see that marketing, it is the most important component of every enterprise, of every business, because before going to the work, before starting a business activity, every entrepreneur, every businessman wants to see the target whom he is going to address. He has to address the market because it is the last stage that is faced by every enterprise, but every entrepreneur. He has to find out the opportunities that where I can have the buyers or the customers for my product. So marketing, it is very important, because when we say marketing, it includes so many processes, so many activities which are performed by every entrepreneur for the last stage of his product. Because every business, it is started with the intention of profit, and profits cannot be achieved in absence of market or in absence of marketing. So for this marketing purpose, an entrepreneur, he has to see the quality of the product, he has to see the services provided to the customers, he has to see the price, he has to make budgets for advertising, and he has to decide the channels for distribution. So all these things are to be decided in accordance with the income, the interest, different things related to the customers. So with every entrepreneur, he has to address all these things, all these issues whenever he is taking the marketing concept in his view. Now we see that in business world, in today's business world, this marketing has gone through many changes because the world goes on change every day and every night. So when we say this marketing, it has included so many things. It has included in it so many concepts. And in prevailing conditions, when we say marketing, it has five categories. It has been classified into five categories. Marketing concept. First is production concept. Second is product concept. Third is selling concept. Fourth is marketing concept. And fifth is societal concept. These are the different concepts which are taken into consideration in prevailing marketing situation. So these things are to be considered by every businessman, by every entrepreneur while going through this marketing concept. We will take, inshallah, these different categories, these five categories one by one tomorrow. I think this is enough for today. Thanks.